The Los Angeles Clippers are on the verge of signing Chris Douglas-Roberts, according to Dan Woychyk of the Orange County Register. The free agent swingman brings three-point shooting and solid defense and helps Los Angeles' depth. If the Comeback Player of the Year award was still a thing, Douglas-Roberts would have been on the short list last year. He spent 2011-12 in Italy before being invited to Lakers training camp. Cut just before the start of the 2012-13 season, he spent most of that year in the D-League aside from a short stint with the Dallas Mavericks. Douglas-Roberts then played Summer League for the Lakers, latched on with the Knicks in the preseason, went back to the D-League and was called up by Charlotte in December. He became an important part of the then Bobcats bench, shooting a career-high 39% on three-pointers and averaging 6.9 points, 2.4 rebounds and 1.0 assists in 20.7 minutes per game. For the Clippers, Douglas-Roberts will strengthen an already solid wing rotation that includes J.J. Redick, Matt Barnes and Jim Crawford. This move means that rookie C.J. Wilcox and sophomore Reggie Bullock likely won't see many minutes unless Los Angeles is dealing with numerous injuries.